Computer types. 1. Personal computers. These are general-purpose computers designed for individual use. They come in various form factors such as laptops, tablets, and desktops, and can be used for a wide range of tasks such as word processing, web browsing, gaming, and multimedia consumption. 1. Mobile computing devices. These are portable computers designed for on-the-go use. They include smartphones, tablets, and wearable devices, such as smartwatches. They typically have smaller screens and less processing power than desktop or laptop computers, but offer the convenience of being able to access information and perform tasks from anywhere. 1. Embedded computers. These are specialized computers that are integrated into other devices and systems to perform specific functions. They are commonly found in appliances, cars, industrial equipment, and medical devices. They are typically smaller and have less processing power than general-purpose computers, but are optimized for the specific task they are designed to perform. 1. Servers. These are computers that are designed to provide services to other computers over a network. They are typically more powerful than personal computers, and are used to host websites, run databases, and perform other tasks that require high levels of processing power and storage. 1. Supercomputers. These are the most powerful computers in terms of processing speed, and are used for scientific and engineering applications that require extremely complex calculations. They are used in fields such as weather forecasting, particle physics, and molecular modeling. Supercomputers can cost millions of dollars and require specialized facilities to house them. 6. Desktop computers. Desktop computers are personal computers designed for use at a desk or workstation. They are usually larger than laptops and have a separate monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Desktop computers are often used for tasks such as word processing, internet browsing, gaming, and multimedia production. They typically offer more processing power and storage than laptops, making them a popular choice for users who require high-performance computing. 7. Game consoles. Game consoles are specialized devices designed for playing video games. They typically connect to a television or monitor, and come with a handheld controller. Game consoles are popular among gamers because they offer an immersive gaming experience and are optimized for playing video games. Some popular game consoles include the PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. 8. Thin clients. Thin clients are a type of computer that relies on a server to perform most of the computing tasks. Thin clients are typically small, low-cost devices that connect to a network and allow users to access applications and data stored on a central server. They are often used in business environments where multiple users need to access the same software or data. 9. Mainframes. Mainframes are large, high-performance computers designed for handling large volumes of data and processing transactions for businesses and organizations. Mainframes are typically used in industries such as banking, finance, and government where data processing and transaction handling are critical. Mainframes are known for their reliability, scalability, and security features. Computer applications. 1. Education. Computers are widely used in education for a variety of purposes, such as teaching and learning, research, administrative tasks, and distance education. Computer applications in education include e-learning platforms, educational software, online courses, and multimedia content. 1. Finance. Computers are extensively used in the financial sector for tasks such as accounting, financial analysis, risk management, and trading. Computer applications in finance include financial management software, trading platforms, and online banking. 1. Government. Computers are used by governments for a wide range of purposes, such as managing databases, providing public services, conducting research, and analyzing data. Computer applications in government include e-governance platforms, public service delivery systems, and data analytics tools. 1. Healthcare. Computers are essential in the healthcare sector for tasks such as medical diagnosis, patient monitoring, medical research, and administration. Computer applications in healthcare include electronic health records, EHRs, medical imaging systems, telemedicine, and healthcare management software. 1. Science. Computers are indispensable in scientific research for tasks such as data analysis, simulation, modeling, and visualization. Computer applications in science include scientific software, data management systems, and high-performance computing. 1. Publishing. Computers are extensively used in the publishing industry for tasks such as editing, formatting, typesetting, and printing. Computer applications in publishing include desktop publishing software, e-book publishing tools, and digital printing technology. 1. Travel. Computers are widely used in the travel industry for tasks such as reservations, bookings, itinerary planning, and customer service. Computer applications in travel include travel booking websites, reservation systems, and customer relationship management (CRM) software. 1. Manufacturing. Computers are essential in the manufacturing industry for tasks such as inventory management, quality control, and production planning. Computer applications in manufacturing include enterprise resource planning (ERP), S-line breaks, systems manufacturing execution systems, and computer-aided design software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share our channel.